Hi guys, so as we continue on, we're going to be making pastrami shaffles today. This is really pretty easy. Pastrami has been one of my favorite cuts of meat over the years, and I ended up buying this over the deli, and what I do when I got it home, I fried it up in a frying pan, and that'll be coming up in the video, and follow me along with the shaffle making process, and you guys will be fine, and this is basically the same as what we're doing right along. A few eggs, whisk them up with any condiments that you desires, and get the shaffle maker going, and a couple slices of cheese, and then we ended up setting them aside on a cooling rack, the shaffles, and then on this paper plate you can see me eating them shaffles, and these came out really great. So we'll just keep going with the usual process of it, and we'll come back and talk about it at the end of the video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Well, as I forgot to tell you, this particular shaffle maker, I ended up taking a couple of eggs, and this one I got one egg. I'm experimenting today, and I put a little bit of mozzarella cheese in it instead of my usual ultra thin cheese, and it still worked fine. And now I'm just taking it and I'm just put it over the top of the shaffle maker, and I sprayed it with a little bit of cooking spray so they wouldn't stick to the shaffle maker. And again, these came out really good, and I would encourage you to don't be afraid to experiment, because you got to do what you got to do, guys, to get the weight off. And I'm been struggling with this big time right now, so I'm definitely going back to these shaffles again, and what worked for me in the past should continue to work for me going forward. Now over here, I did actually use the pepperoni cheese on the ultra thin cheese, because I wanted to do an experiment one, as I recall. And I did one with the mozzarella cheese, and I did one with the pepperoni cheese, because I believe I only had enough mozzarella cheese to do a couple shaffles. But in the upcoming segment over here, right after we pull this off there, we're going to put it onto the cooling rack, and I'll show you the difference between the two. And you'll see in the second one I'm talking about here, and we'll come back and we'll talk about it in a minute as soon as I close the shaffle maker so I can get this going. And again, these came out really, really good, and I hope if you haven't got a shaffle maker, they're so inexpensive. And yeah, so then I wanted to make sure, and there you go, I was getting ready to pull it off after about a minute here, and then you can see how it came out really good. And then pretty much done with the shaffle maker, and then I put a piece of paper towel in between just to kind of like clean it up a little bit. And those two there, these two I'm showing you in the video, were the ones with the mozzarella cheese, and the ones with the provolone. These are the ones that came out with the provolone. They both came out really good. I really enjoyed them, and again, I wanted to encourage you to don't be afraid to experiment. Okay, so now we get the pastrami going in the frying pan, and once we get it warmed up, we're going to make our sandwiches and have our final product with a little bit of uh, yellow mustard from the French's company, which is probably one of the most popular mustards out there, besides the Dijon mustard, which I get from time to time. But just probably put about 1 or 2 tablespoons of mustard on there. And yet I didn't really need to add cheese on top of my shaffle maker, because there was already cheese in the shaffle itself. Normally the old Ron probably would have had the regular Italian bread with that and a ton of cheese, and You know, you guys know the Rudy too there, you know, and that's why we had a weight problem over the years. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. And so you can even put a pickle on here or whatever. That probably would really taste really well too. But I definitely plan on making these again with the pastrami for the upcoming month of April. And, you know, just giving you some options and some ideas and what you can guys do to help you along to lose the weight and stuff like that. And then you have our final product. But anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share, like, and subscribe. Definitely helps the channel grow. Love you guys. Hope you had an amazing day, an amazing week.